Hi folks, Gina here from Miami Culinary Tours. Hope you are all staying safe and doing well. I'm going to make something for you today that I have very often in my refrigerator, especially during the summer months. It's a light lunch, or you can also serve it alongside grilled meats. It's a great dish to bring to a barbecue, cookout. Hopefully we'll be able to enjoy that sometime soon. It's called insalata di patate e fagiolini. It's an Italian potato salad. So it's quite simple to assemble. Your main ingredients are going to be tomatoes. I have some beautiful cherry tomatoes here. You can use any type of tomato really. You want to use some type of waxy potato, red potato, fingerling, etc. And some steamed green beans. That's your basis. Then you can add some different things to it. Right here I have some beautiful celery and some red onion. You can also add bell peppers, etc. This is our vinaigrette. So you're going to make your vinaigrette. Beautiful vinaigrette. Good quality olive oil, of course. Some parsley. Little tip. Don't throw your parsley stems out, folks. Just put them in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. Throw them in your soup, stews, stocks, etc. We've got some salt, of course, some pepper, some red wine vinegar. You can also use white wine vinegar. You can use balsamic, whatever floats your boat. Some lemon. I love that brightness and acidic element of the lemon, and some garlic. You can put that little whirl in your food processor, or just finely chop your ingredients and mix it up in a jar. You're only going to use about half of this when you assemble your salad. And it's really quite simple, folks. Make sure that you have everything ready to go before you start assembling it. The potatoes are going to be a 2-to-1 ratio, so about 2 pounds of potatoes to 1 pound of string beans. You want to make sure that the potatoes are warm when you are assembling the salad. This will allow for the vinaigrette to actually seep into the potatoes and absorb all that beautiful flavor. So what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of my vinaigrette to the potatoes. I'm going to mix that, really quite simple. And then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients to my bowl. And then you're just going to toss a little bit more of the vinaigrette. Let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before you serve it. Again, you can put it in your fridge. It'll stay a little bit in your fridge. Right before you serve it, add a little bit more vinaigrette. And then, of course, you can add some other herbs if you'd like. There's some beautiful fresh basil that I picked this morning. Some nice mint. You can add a little bit more lemon to your taste. Also some more fresh parsley. And that's it, folks. You've got a beautiful insalata di patate e fagiolini. So folks, what pairs really beautifully with this refreshing salad is an Aperol Spritz. I had the wonderful opportunity of being in Italy last summer, and I met my New York cousins there, and my cousin's husband Flavio was in charge of making the Aperol Spritz for us. Most often we use this at happy hour. Something I like to say, happy hour is whatever hour makes you happy. So we're going to make an Aperol Spritz for you. The ingredients are very simple. Aperol. You can find this in some good quality liquor stores. Recipes on the back. Well, we're going to just assemble it for you today. Some Aperol, some Prosecco, some club soda or sparkling water does really well, and some orange slices, ice. So what you're going to do is just fill up your glass with some ice. Get that going. Put some Prosecco in there. Add a little bit of Aperol, and you can put as much as you like, little as you like. It's a bitter, so some people like a little bit more than others, but you see you got that beautiful orange color right there. Gonna mix it a little bit, add a little bit of your water, club soda, whatever you have, and then a slice of orange. And there you go. Cheers. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you that have taken my tours before, you've heard me mention my 4 boys. Heard that right, 4 boys. And you've also heard me say the 2 things I hear all the time. I'm hungry, and what's there to eat? So I'm going to tackle making some pasta with them next time. I hope you join me. Cheers.